Actors who have fallen for Kim Chiu. Celebrities open up about crushing on the Chinita princess. Robbie Jaworski, the newly launched Star Magic artist and son of Mikey Cojuangco and Dudut Jaworski, revealed in an interview that he had a crush on Kim growing up. He admired her lively and energetic personality, describing her as a fun-loving and endearing.
Growing up, teenage years, I was a big fan of Kim Chiu, actually.
Kim Chiu!
Yeah.
No, Direk Lauren, Kim Chiu lang pala. Ang daling ibigay ni Direk Lauren yan.
Growing up.
Piolo Pascual. During a Jojowain o Trotropahin challenge, Piolo was asked about Kim, and without hesitation, he chose Jojowain. His quick response set hearts aflutter among fans. Jake Cuenca. In one-on-one interview with Boy Abunda, Jake was asked if he really had a crush on Kim. He admitted it outright and even shared that he still has a crush on her to this day.
When was this? When you were starting?
No, until now, she's very attractive. So,
of course.
Naman.
Oh.
Robbie Domingo. During a playful moment, Melek Cantiveros revealed that Robbie once fell for Kim. Robbie confessed that it's hard not to fall for someone like her, considering her charm and personality.
Na-fall ako.
Sino? Kanina? Kilala ko.
Kilala mo yan. Parang ang hirap naman kasi, sa totoo lang, no? Sa totoo lang, kung kayo-kayo rin magkikita araw-araw, tapos magkaroon kayo ng mga eksena na sweet.
Kilig, oo.
Oo.
Lors. Totoo yan. Oo.
May nagtatanong, who's this? Sagutin kita.
Kim! Wow! Si Kim, na-fall siya kay Kim. Actually, aminado din naman lahat, pati si Enchong din na-fall din kay Kim. Lahat naman. Hinintay ko lang na ma-fall sila sa akin. Wala. Ako yung hinulog nila.
Enchong D. Enchong openly admitted that Kim is his dream girl and even shared that Kim is well aware of his admiration for her.
So, hindi alam to ni Kim. Alam to ni Kim.
Si Chinito at Chinita.
Alam niya, minsan niloloko ko nga siya. Naalala mo, Kim, ikaw talaga yung dream girl ko dati.
Ryan Bang. Ryan confessed that he had a crush on Kim as early as their time together in Pinoy Big Brother. However, he didn't pursue it, feeling like he didn't stand a chance.
Kailan pa nagsimula to na may crush ka kay Kim Chiu?
Mami kasi dati after PBB.
Paulo Avellino. When Paulo first transferred to ABS-CBN, he admitted in an interview that Kim was his dream love team partner. He described her as beautiful, talented, and having a pleasant personality, qualities that make her truly admirable.
Maka-work. Sa mga babae, syempre si Kim Chiu.
Bakit si Kim?
Si Kim, aside sa galing niya sa pag-arte, syempre, hindi rin naman, isa rin syempre yung kagandahan niya. Nakikita ko naman na parang mabait siyang artista.
Napapanood mo ba si Kim sa mga shows niya? Wala ka pa dito?
Yung iba. Yung kung saan sila nag-start. Tayong dalawa.
Bukod kay Kim, meron ka pa gusto makasama?
Sa mga lalaki, syempre.
Naging crush mo ba si Kim? Sa John? Yes, kailan nag-start?
Crush is paghanga.
Crush is paghanga.
Paghanga lang naman. Umamin ka na. Okay lang naman sa akin. Kasi hindi pala, no?
Siyempre, hinahangaan ko naman si Kim. Pero I think, parang ngayon ko lang din nga naalala na nire-resurface yung mga interviews ko dati na gusto ko makatrabaho si Kim. And ngayong nakatrabaho ko na, pero tama pala ako.
These are just a few of the actors who have openly admired Kim Chiu. It's truly nakakakilig to see how many hearts Kim has touched with her unique charm and vibrant energy. There's no one quite like our Chinita princess. Stay tuned for more Kim Pao updates and don't forget to like and subscribe.